DIY decorators and all you recyclers out there. Today on Make Your Mark, we are making some Carnival jar lanterns. And we're using our gel press to create beautiful marbled papers to decoupage all over them. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some Carnival lanterns. Make sure to check out gelpress.com. I'll leave a link in the description for everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.